So if you guys have been following along, this is our very first vegetable garden. And so we've never dealt with weeds or maintaining a garden before. And we assumed that if we mulched this entire thing, that, you know, the weeds wouldn't be a very big deal. Like there'd be a few big weeds growing here and there, and we'd pull them out of the beds every now and again. We did not anticipate a lawn growing underneath every single bed. And we did also not anticipate having all the grass grow up through the mulch. So today we're going to try and get out as much of the weeds as possible, and all week we're going to try and eradicate all of these weeds. Actually, it's grass, a crabgrass. And we're just going to kind of take you on this journey and see how it goes. Show you some before and afters. We started here with the peppers on this row. You can see we're working on the left side here first. Didn't take that long actually, maybe like 15-20 minutes. Hopefully we'll get the whole thing done today. Carrots need a lot of help. Sweet potatoes. The tomato bed is next. I'm going to free them up down there. Alright, so our current goal is to take care of one bed a day. Got the tomatoes done today. It looks pretty good. They can breathe again. Tomorrow I think we'll tackle the carrots. Tonight we got the sweet potatoes done. Got all the weeds out of the carrots. And then kind of hoed around the peppers again one more time. So this quadrant is officially done. It's our first quadrant. Tomatoes, peppers, carrots, and sweet potatoes. It's coming. We're getting them out. Joel's working on the yellow beans over there. Once we get the big weeds taken out, we'll be able to hoe this really easily every couple days and keep the weeds back. Now let's take a look at this quadrant over here. Grassy oaks. Here, right up through the wood chips. We're coming for you guys tomorrow. Before... after. Talking about weeds. I got a weed for you. Look at this guy. Let's see if I can get close so you can see the size of this weed. Growing out of a boulder, right there. No soil, just right out of the boulder. Look at this guy. He's so magnificent that I'm leaving him. Isn't he a beauty? Joel's a little concerned that it's going to go to seed, and then we'll have those monsters everywhere. But I like him. Its leaves are really soft, kind of like a lamb's ear, but I've never seen a lamb's ear this enormous. So if you guys know what this is, put it down in the comments. Soft like a lamb's ear, as big as an 8-year-old. Another day, another garden bed to weed. All right, we're working on the next quadrant this morning. We got the yellow beans all done. Not a weed to be seen. Got the purple beans all done. And now it's time to do the baby red potatoes. I have a nice big lawn all around them. dug it all out. Red potatoes are done. And the purple beans are done. And the yellow beans are done. So we have 2 quadrants done. Not too bad. Not too bad. Now we can just maintain it. Nice and clean. All right, and then tomorrow we start on the red onions and then the radish and cilantro chive aisle. And these are the weeds. Dug them out by the roots. Look at that. That's just that 1 quadrant. Joel's gonna go dump them in the woods. Here's a good shot of the garden, half weeded and half not weeded. Well, I think we're at the end of it here. We have our wagon full of the last batch of the really mature weeds. I'm gonna take you around and kind of show you. I think we got all the big stuff, and now we can maintain it properly. Just working on thinning the carrots. And look, they're coming. They're coming, it's working. Now, to maintain the garden, to keep the weeds at bay after we finally got out all the big mature stuff there, we got these wire hose. It's a hoe that has like a really thick wire and has like a quick release here. And there's several different attachments. I don't know where my attachments are right now, but just different widths of triangles and different thicknesses. So hopefully this will keep the weeds at bay now much easier.